Hello, my name is Martin. I'm a volunteer here in Chikowa, and my job is to manage the carpentry here for Chikowa Mission. So here in our carpentry we have 10 employees, which all of them are carpenters who learned their craft here at the CYDC. The CYDC is a school who forms every year over 100 students in terms of carpentry, agriculture or automotive mechanics. So all the profits which are here generated through the carpentry are directly for the school and for the students. But actually we have a need in our carpentry. The issue is the machines we use, they are either old or already broken. So we would be desperately in need for different types of machines. At the moment we have around 8 different machines, but over half of them are broken. All of them are old, and of course because of this it's very difficult, especially here in Africa, to find spare parts for those machines. Concretely, we are in need of 5 different types of machines. The first one would be the thickness planer. Secondly, the surface planer. We are looking for a mortising machine, for a bandsaw and also for a circular saw. The machines we use here generally are very simple machines. Just motors, belts and a blade, just so we can repair them easily to find spare parts. So if you or anyone you know have an old machine that is not used anymore, we would be really happy to receive it. Also, if you don't have any machines, we would be really happy to receive any other type of donations here in order to continue our work, to continue our mission here and to help the students of the school. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also thank you for spreading this video to everyone you know, and hopefully we see you soon here in Chikowa.